Hi, a lot of people liked our last video on programming an FPGA with Arduino, but we weren't satisfied with that solution. So we made the whole process as easy as just buying a microcontroller. After you created your VHDP project, you now just have to use our nice creator to customize your processor. After that, you just have to add your processor to your code. Right-click the component to create the signals and you are ready to compile. You can now connect the signals with the FPGA pins like this. And you also find the PWM or SPGA pins here to connect. The UART pins are automatically connected with the USB part. Compile your project and wait until everything is finished. Now you can create the software project. Just select the SLPC file of the processor and click on Create. Wait for the project to initialize. Now you can first program the FPGA, so you have the processor ready. For the example program, open the JTAG monitor and now build and run the software project. You can see it works and prints Hello World in the console. You can now edit the code in the IDE to, for example, do the same with the UART interface. I build and run again and now can see the serial monitor because I now use the UART to USB interface of the Core Max 10.